So welcome to the Keeping It Real with Dave Metro Station tour of Athens. We're going across all metro stations and we're starting with Metaxourgio. So we are here, Metaxourgio, and in this video series we'll be going across all these metro stations. I wonder what lurks in the depths of Metaxourghio Metro Station. Let's find out. I like that there's always a little bit of art in these metro stations. From here, from Metaxourgio, you can go right up to Elinico. And from the other side to Antupoli. Well, and here we had it, the beautiful metro station of Metaxourgio. Let's go exploring. Railway tickets, ticket machine. Yes, so that was the wonderful metro station of Metaxourgio, sorry. Well, this where I'm standing here now is probably an image of Icarus falling from the sky. He and his father wanted to cross the sea, and they attached feathers to their arms, but Icarus in his young wild abandon, he flew too close to the sun, which melted off his wings and fall from the heaven. That was his tragic fate. Greeks really like their baklava. Ah, the old Corinthians bus. What a nice park. Let's see this park a little bit. Yeah, Athens is a graffiti lover's paradise. I really love these small, weird little places. I'm really curious what's on those stairs. Quite a nice view. It's a nice view up here. Let's explore a little further. Look at that. The abandoned building. Look at that abandoned building on top. Who would have lived there? How would their lives look like? Very curious. And back again. These places underneath the bridge are really the coolest places for graffiti. Again, some kind of a dwelling place. Oh, and look here, they even set up a whole living room. It's a table and a couch and the bed. It's will probably keep them sheltered. Here we got an old abandoned grandpa shed. Just look at this. I think this has been an old garage or something, an old car workshop. Look at that. Just look at that. Well, here's something you don't see every day. Look at that. It's a... It's a Singer Vogue. Wow. It's a very nice car. Oh, look at that, man. That's wonderful. I can imagine some old guy just touring his Singer Vogue car all around Athens. Must be wonderful.